Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 69 Cyclone R-Code Super Cobra Jet drag pack car. Man, I tell you what, if I look excited, it's because this is one amazing car, guys. This is one of my favorite cars. As a matter of fact, my personal car happens to be a 69 Cyclone, so I'm just a little bit partial. You see that they've painted out all the trim, looking sweet. They blacked out the grille. We got brand new chrome on the bumper. I tell you, the car is just phenomenal. And that orangish red paint is just popping. It's got more of an orange tone to it than red. Of course, Magnum 500 wheels, looking beautiful, man. I'll tell you what, my hat is off to the guy who painted this baby. He did a beautiful job. And don't forget the body man, he knocked it out of the park too. You can see all the trim here. This is normally aluminum and chrome. This has all been painted up also, along with the door handles. You can see the door jambs are nice and clean. The door panel looks amazing. She is just gorgeous inside and out. That wood steering wheel, center console. The dash is looking sweet. The upholstery's looking good. We got seat belts in the back. We got 3 seat belts back there. And then look at that package tray. When I was a kid, we had a 61 Starliner. It had about the same size package tray. I used to lay back there and look out the window when Dad was driving down the highway. Everything on this baby is just looking absolutely gorgeous. You look down that big long quarter panel. That body work is looking sweet. Of course, the wing on the back too. Love that wing. And oh yeah, the name, Salt Flat Cyclone. That means they want to take this baby out and run it. Of course, back in the day, these things just dominated on the track. Look in the trunk here. Everything nice and neat in here also. Nice and clean. We got a battery shut off here, and you can see that the battery's mounted in the trunk, and there is a battery tender in here. You just plug in with an extension cord. We got good looking paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. And when you look down the passenger side, man, I'll tell you what, she looks fast just sitting there, doesn't she? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own the car. We own every one of our cars here at Vanguard. And the first thing that happens to every one of them when they get here is we get them up on the lift and we inspect them. We take pictures of them. We do videos on them. So you know exactly what you're getting. So you can call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. He will answer all your questions. Now, you can check us out on the web at VanguardMotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, so if you want to see more cool videos just like this one, we're always posting new videos of cars. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a cool car. All right, we're in the Cyclone now, and man, I tell you what, I can't wait to get in mine and drive it some more. I tell you, these things are so cool. You know, one of the coolest things about these cars is when you drive them anywhere, very few people even know what this car is. And this is just an amazing piece of NASCAR history. These cars did phenomenal. This one's a Super Cobra Jet. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet down here. She is a beauty. I mean, the dash of this car looks better than the dash of my car. My car's a low mileage car, been kept indoors its entire life. This one's beautiful. Center console looks good. We got aftermarket gauges here. We got a wood steering wheel here. It's very cool. It's that Carroll Shelby Eleanor style wheel, I believe. Everything about this thing is absolutely gorgeous, guys, and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Also, we can help out with financing, so call Tom, he'll hook you up with that also. Now at Vanguard, we put every car on the lift so you can see the bottom side, and we're gonna do that right now, so stick with us. All right, we're underneath the Cyclone now, and man, it's pretty under here. Look at that new tank, new dual exhaust, and the Ford 9-inch rear end. I know it was a drag pack car originally, but the gear has been changed to a 350 gear, and it is posi. You can see it's got new U-bolts, it's got some slapper bars on it, Flowmaster mufflers here. Frame is in beautiful shape. Everything under here has been coated and cleaned up and looking good. Floors look like they're original to the car. They're looking good. These frame members here, now you guys that know Cyclones know that a lot of times, I call them frame members. These are really just like floor stiffeners. A lot of guys try to jack up on these and they get crushed real quick. So you can see we've got our lift positioned here. This is a lot heavier duty here. So if you do try to lift the car on here, you're gonna bend all this shit up. Obviously somebody else knew that because this car's been very well cared for. We got power steering on the car here. Cross members in good shape. We got disc brakes up front, drums in the back, and of course the guys will check all that out. You can see the sway bar has new bushings in it. Now they've added a chrome pan to the bottom side when they did the restoration. I see what looks like some new flex lines here also. It does look like the ball joints have been changed because they're bolted in. They were originally riveted in. Front bumper chrome's looking good. Looks like brand new rubber here also, BFG's, with good looking Magnum 500s on it. Let's see, we got two 1570 15s up front. As you can see the wheelhouse there, it's all been blacked out, looking good. You can see the front fender right down to the bottom edge looks good, and you feel around back there. There's no patchwork or anything there. You can also see the pinch weld here looks good all the way back. Everything's nice and solid, looking good. Out back here, let's see what size tires we got here. We got two 55, 60, 15s out back. As you can see, all the paintwork looks good. This lip here also feels good. It's been turned in just a little bit so you can get a little more tire on this thing. You can see the paintwork right down to the bottom edge, and you can still see the spot welds in the quarter here. Let's get under the hood. Hey guys, under the hood, numbers matching Super Cobra Jet. This thing is sweet. Now the heads are correct, but they are a later year head. We got a Mallory distributor in there. The motor's all painted up black. That's what color I painted mine, by the way. The inner wheelhouses, the shock towers, everything looking sweet, all painted up, looking good. Firewall's also painted up, looking good. That looks like the original Autolite sticker there. Of course, the air cleaner's super cool, that Ram Air cleaner. It does have power brakes. It does have power steering. It's got blacked out valve covers on it. It's got an upgraded radiator. This is a cross-flow radiator. You can see all the grill area up here is all painted up, looking good. We got the MSD box mounted right here out of the way. That's what's powering up that Mallory distributor. Looks like it's got the stock exhaust manifolds on it. I mean, everything about this car is sweet, guys. I mean, I love it. All you guys that know me know that my personal car is a '69 Cyclone, so it's got a special spot in my heart, and this is a sweet one, guys. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this Cyclone in your driveway.